Feeling bored by the default profile picture in CS2 but don't know how to change it? Well, no worries. In this quick video, I'll show how you can change your profile picture in CS2. Let's start. Now, there is no way to change just your CS2 profile picture. You have to change your Steam profile picture to change it. So first, open up Steam on your computer. Next, click on your username from the upper right section of the screen and select View My Profile from the drop-down menu. Then click the Edit Profile button from here. Next, click on Avatar from the left side menu. From here, you can change your profile picture. If you want to use a pre-made one, just click the See All button and choose the one from the list. But if you want to use a custom image as your profile picture, click the Upload Your Avatar button from here. Then select the picture you want, crop it to your liking, and then click the Save button. And your profile picture will be changed. Now, if you open up CS2, you will find the profile picture changed there as well. And that's about it. If the video proved to be useful, smash that like button. Want more CS2 related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.